What if one accident erased a lifetime of income? Then how does a family survive? Harry was 56, a medical supervisor in Mississippi, a man who believed work was duty, not choice. For 35 years, his job paid every bill, handled every emergency, and kept his family steady. His wife, Steffi, 49, was a housewife who held the home together with patience and discipline. Their only daughter, Millie, 23, had just landed her first job as a financial advisor. For the first time, life felt secure. Then one evening, everything collapsed. On his way home, Harry was involved in a major accident. The impact crushed his spine. Doctors were clear he would never work again. No standing, no lifting, no returning to the job that had fed the house for decades. The silence at home was unbearable. Medical bills replaced paychecks. Steffi stopped sleeping, afraid of every envelope in the mailbox. Harry felt stripped of purpose, ashamed that the man who once provided now needed help to sit up. Millie, despite her new job, felt fear tighten her chest. But she didn't panic. She planned. Millie reviewed Harry's employment records and contacted the company's HR department. She discovered benefits no one had ever explained clearly. The company approved long-term disability compensation worth 60% of Harry's salary. From his $85,000 yearly income, Harry now received about $4,200 per month. The company also continued full health insurance, saving nearly $1,200 every month and covering hospital care, therapy, and follow-ups benefits worth around $14,000 per year. Then came one more lifeline. Harry was offered a remote advisory role, mentoring younger supervisors, earning $1,000 per month without physical strain. Together, the family had about $5,200 monthly income and medical security. They weren't rich, but they were safe. Harry regained dignity. Steffi found peace. Millie learned a hard truth: security isn't luck, it's knowing your rights. Lesson for every American: understand your workplace benefits, speak to HR early, and plan before crisis strikes. Please subscribe to this channel because here we share real stories and simple solutions to the daily problems families face every day.